Hi guys, in our previous video, we learned that how to we create the alignments, and in this video, we will learn the how to the change the styles, modify the styles. This is the very important to change because the look will become very nice and fantastic of in this our alignments. So let's go start now. Just click here and come to in the label, edit alignment labels, or you can choose here also the options are available. So first we have to do these things. We have to all remove from here as default. So just you click here once, twice, all has gone. So which styles we want to, here you see the major station, and here what you want to change the styles. Parallel with tick, parallel already is there, or perpendicular with line or with tick. So I think I always like this tick, okay, perpendicular. Okay, here now just you add here or modify from here. So I'm first have to add this, then just we go to add and then apply and okay. You see this style has changed. Before it was the parallel, now it is the perpendicular. But we want to change the some size of the text, which is the alignment showing change. So just we click and right click and go to edit label. So you can change from here as I told, or I like change from here. Just click and again you click here, change the style. You see now our style is shown here. We want to change it. So you come direct to in layout. In this information, if you want to change some things, rename this style, you can rename. Otherwise, who is that creating, you can give to here if you are working your name, or maybe who is the designer. Like I given my name here, I changed here, so it will be show. And in general, nothing you have to change, just come to in the layout part. Layout, here you see the stations, okay. Here nothing change, just come to in the text part. Here you change 2.54 to I making big. So here 10 meters. And other thing I think no need to change, just you apply here. How to look, it's big. If you want to change color, then you go to here, downside here, and just click on here, and I am giving this color red color. Red is also there. Or if you want to change, I want to change this magenta color, then just okay, hit okay and apply it and okay it, and here also okay and here apply, then okay. You can see color has changed, size has changed now. But now here showing only the major change. Major. Major means here 0, here 20, here 40. One line here tick is in the center. 1 or 2, if the big then 2, otherwise 1 in the center point. So we can see that here is the 20, then here is the 30. So how do will we bring this line? Tick, just go again the label edit. And here see the major stations. See here you come down minor stations, minor. Now you see the tick. So in minor is only a tick will be shown. Okay. Now you edit and just we edit the size of this tick. Just go to here. This tick we will change the length. Here also we put the 10. So size will be increase here and just apply and it's okay, then okay, and here apply or here okay. Yes, you see, you can see now the tick also here. Okay, this is the minor challenge, is the major challenge, or you can say that this is the major station, this is the minor stations. If you want to change, see here is the 2020. If you want to the 10 meter, then it will be changed. From here again also go and go to edit label again Here you see that 20, you can change here 10, or you can change here the 5. Now apply it and say okay. See, you come. Now it's looking fine. See, this is that. Okay. 0, 10, 20 and 30. Before it was the 20 to direct 40. Minor stations. This is the major station, this is the minor stations. Okay. If you want to change this line color thickness, then you just click here, and now you go to alignment property or edit alignment styles. So you can go in the alignment styles. Here you see the information this proposed. You can change the name of this alignment, or you can change here the this autocad default, and you can give to other your name. Yeah, who is the creating this alignment, give to name here. And design, nothing you have to change. Markers, nothing you have to change. And display, you come to in this display. So this alignment line is showing this color. You change here color. I'm giving to here red color. Okay, this is the color has given. And here you see the line type is the bilayer. Okay, so this layer color is this, and so it will be shown like this. And line scale is there, or line weight is there. Here your line weight you can change. If you want to more bigger, yeah, like this, I giving to here 550.5. Okay, just click and okay, and say okay. See, the color is changed here, and the size also changed, but we can't see the thickness of this as we change. Okay, just we come here, then here showing that the already changed. If you want to show it, then here write a L and W saying line weight. See, display line weight. Then you enter here. Okay, then what you want, then all will be change here this color. Okay, but so not do like that here. Just again you give that command LW here, and you click here, just display. Here is the off. Just you put it right here on, on, on. Now you see, you can see the line weight of. Yes, looking nice. Or if you want to change the thickness, again you go to alignment the styles, then you can change here. Now I think it's looking nice, our alignment. It will become in the printout, then showing nice. Okay, so I think you understood the alignment, how do we create, how do we modify our changes, these all things. So in next video, we will create a profile, surface profiles, which is this surface is given. We will create the profile. So please subscribe my channel, like, and also comment what you not understood here. Okay, thanks for watching.